Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an eggless macaroni pie. So let's begin. First you're going to add your water and some salt and let that boil. Then you are going to grate your onion, garlic and bell peppers. You can choose to cut them up if you prefer. Also, you can choose to grate them over the macaroni while you're preparing it. But I have some time on my hands, so I decided to grate them. Add your elbow macaroni to the boiling water and boil for 7 minutes. Make sure the pot is uncovered because it will boil over. Remove from fire and strain. After draining off the water, you are going to add your butter, goya all-purpose seasoning, or you can use what seasoning you prefer using. But be careful of the amount you use because remember salt is in the goya seasoning, so be careful, all right? Then you are going to add your paprika, some black pepper, milk, cheese, onion, garlic, and the bell peppers, the grated bell peppers. Then you are going to mix it and pour it into your grease baking dish. Then you are going to bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. It all depends on your stove and how brown or how light you like your macaroni pie. So it's totally up to you. And there is no one way of doing macaroni pie. You can make a cheese sauce for your macaroni pie, or you can do just exactly what I am doing here. Just mix everything in a bowl and let the oven do its work. Or if you prefer, you can put everything on the stove and let the cheese melt a bit. All right. And I also add some mustard to my macaroni pie, but I thought I had some in the fridge, but all was gone. So that is something you can add to it as well. And you can add a small amount of ketchup if you want. Another thing again, you can add some carrots. I see my mother add carrots, grated carrots, to her macaroni pie. And this will be excellent for picky eaters such as toddlers, right? To get their vegetables in. All right. Almost every Sunday we enjoy a macaroni pie along with some stews, vegetables, sometimes rice, some provision, and you can eat almost any meat you want with it, all right? Any meat you desire. So here I'm covering the pie with some cheese, some extra cheese. And you can use what cheese you prefer, just as you can use any milk you prefer, right? And here it is finished. It's not cooled down yet, but it's better to let your pie cool down a bit before you cut it, if you want a whole cut. But I'm very hungry, so I'm going to go right in. Look at that. And it's so hot. Look at that. Cheesy, right? So I'm going to have this for dinner, and I'm having some stew beef, some vegetables such as broccoli and pumpkin. You can have it with some rice as well, whatever meat you desire. Totally up to you. And you can put some ground provision as well by the side. There it is. So cheesy, delicious, flavorful. Look at that. And look at that. This is the clean cut you get when it's really cool. there you have it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.